sometimes ucabanga ufike like ufike ufune ukusatshwa ne you fight for people to be afraid, because if people are afraid of you, you feel like you are respected. So after being that, now you have to look and watch your back, because there are people who want to take that crown from you. They want to be respected as you are, as you wanted to be respected, as someone that was respected. So once you feel point, now you have to defend. You put it yourself in that. So now you have to defend that crown. For how long you're gonna defend? It depends on what we told. Imagine if that crown we told is palm. So I'm aware if I want that crown, what I must do. You understand? So to take that crown, because I know what you're capable of, what you have, and what you can do, because I've seen it. So I must be prepared. So now you need to uzigada manje ukuthi no what's gonna happen. I know I got enemies. I know there are people look up to me. I know there are people who wanna be me. I know there are people that wanna remove me. So you are in now you are in your life is like you're in the middle of life and death. You don't understand what is happening and what will happen. You're always thinking hard about the life. So in fact angifuna ukuba mude kuleyo nto, bengifuna nje ukuthi ngeke ngisharele ukuthi you need to know ukuthi every ceremony eniyenzayo you are bringing certain spirit in it. So if I die, then that thing you say is what that spirit will live as I look so like this, because